let's talk about adding remotes to your Escalade IQ. This is probably your default screen, not the doors, but you'll probably get your controls for your HVAC, but it doesn't make a difference. This is the button you want to hit. You want to go here, and you want to go to Universal Remote and Add Remote. Now it's going to ask you, do you have a transmitter? I do have my transmitter, and I'm going to say yes. And while I have my transmitter, I'm going to wave it between, pressing the button, waving it between the mirror and here. And it's searching for I'm just constantly pressing so it can catch the signal, hopefully. Doesn't seem to be catching that. I'm going to release. Oh, timed out. So let's try it again. Add remote. Signal, yes. Signal found. And what you want to do is going to ask you to test. So I just opened that door right there. So I'm going to hit test. Did not work. And I'm going to say it didn't work. And I'm going to hit test again. And that time it worked. So I'm going to say it worked. And I already did the front gate, so ignore that. So this is remote 2. I'm going to hit this little pencil, and I'm going to add the name. I'm going to erase everything that says remote. I'm going to add the name first garage door. Let's do garage door 1. Garage door and 1. And I'm going to hit the little check button to confirm that and go back. So now I have the gate and garage door 1 added. And to get to it again, I'll be in, let's say I'm in this position. I'll just hit this button down here, and I'll hit Universal Remote, and I'll hit garage door 1, and she's opening up. And that's how you add a garage to your, or gate to your, it's the same process with a gate to your Escalade IQ.